Alright, this is my bike check. I'm gonna do a new bike check. So I got new parts. Alright, starting out front, I got new ODI long neck grips with the ODI bar ends. Got the TRP brake lever trigger, that's new. I don't know if it's a good brand, but I like it so far. Attached to that, I got the Odyssey cables. I got the Odyssey Lumberjack handlebars. Wow, that's fucking retarded. Alright, I got the Eastern Decepticon stem. That's new. I got the silver, like, detangler. I don't think it's a brand. Doesn't say anything on it, it's just silver. Still got the Odyssey cables coming down. I got the stock Eastern fork. I got the stock Eastern Curb Monkey tire. Stock front wheel. I like the front hub, it's stayed pretty good. Bringing it down, I got the Eastern Wolf Dog stock frame. I like that so far. I got the stock Eastern pedals. I slip off of them once in a while, but they hold up pretty good. They haven't cracked or anything. Got the stock Eastern cranks, but I spray painted them white. And they came out pretty good, I think. I got the stock Eastern sprocket. It's a little bent, but I think most sprockets bend a little. Got the new heavy duty KMC chain, silver. Alright, this is a new part. I didn't pay for it. I traded another part for it. I got an Eastern pivotal seat plastic. And an Animal pivotal seat post. And then my brake mechanism is the stock one that came on this bike originally. And then I got the stock tire, Eastern Curb Monkey in the back. Got the stock wheel. I like the back hub. Holds up great, but it's not that loud. So, might get a new one soon. And I run a 25/9 gear ratio. And I'm liking the bike so far. See ya.